Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I consider the best lunch bag set for women currently available on the market, the Weitars Insulated Lunch Bag. Whether you're heading to work, planning a picnic, or just need something reliable to keep your meals fresh, this might be the perfect solution for you. Stick around as we explore its features, durability, and why it's garnered such positive attention. The Weitars Insulated Lunch Bag is designed with functionality and style in mind. It boasts a spacious 17-liter capacity, providing ample room for all your daily necessities. From its durable Oxford cloth exterior to the insulated aluminum foil lining, this bag is built to keep your food fresh for up to 8 to 12 hours. Plus, it's leak-proof and easy to clean, making it a practical choice for everyday use. With dimensions of 11.4 inches x 13.4 inches l x 6.7 inches w, it offers a main spacious compartment along with multiple pockets for organizing items like bottles, utensils, and personal essentials. The Oxford cloth exterior is not only wear-resistant but also enhances its overall durability. It's complemented by heavy-duty metal zippers and reinforced stress points, ensuring long-lasting performance. The aluminum foil lining prevents leakage and maintains temperature, while the wide-open design allows for easy access to your food without spills. Featuring both a soft handle and a removable shoulder strap, the Weitars lunch bag offers flexibility whether you're commuting to the office, going on a day trip, or enjoying outdoor activities like picnics or beach outings. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for a reliable, stylish, and functional lunch bag that ticks all the boxes for daily use, the Weitars Insulated Lunch Bag is definitely worth considering. Whether you're a professional looking for a lunch bag for work or someone who enjoys outdoor adventures, its durability, spaciousness, and thoughtful design make it a standout choice. That concludes our review of the Weitars Insulated Lunch Bag. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.